Hi everyone again, it's Andy from Finlingo, and today I'm going to be using the CFA Total Recall app, which you can download from the App Store, and in a week's time hopefully from the Google Play Store as well for Android phones. I'm going to use that to try to calculate the yield of a particular bond. So let's get straight down to it then. I'll get my phone rather than using the screen. So we're going to go down to reading 44. Where are you? 44, there you are. Introduction to Fixed Income Valuation. So it's going to be the fourth question here. We have videos for the three things above it. So look for those if that's what you're interested in. So yield to maturity. Here's a question. So Part Zip stores have just issued a £1,000 nominal value, 4.2% coupon, 9-year semi-annual paying bond. Phew. Given a price of 639.52. What's the yield to maturity of Part Zip's bond? Now, key thing there is semi-annual. Watch out for that. That's going to double all the time periods and halve all the interest rates. So do watch out for that. That's going to catch you out sometime. So make sure you're always paying attention to that. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to our calculator. Because this is a bond question, do second, clear time value of money. I always do it twice, just there's no reason, I just kind of have to do that. So the period is going to be 9 years, but remember it's times 2, it's semi-annual, so times 2. There we are, and we're going to put that in as n. Now we're after the interest rate, so we can't know what that is until we've computed it later. So the present value, that's nice and easy, that's 639.52, which is the price of the bond. Now remember to minus that, because this is money going in the other direction to the coupons and the face value. So that's going to be the PV. Now the payments are, it's a 4.2% coupon, 4.2. We're going to divide that by 2 because it's semi-annual. Divide by 2. There we go, 2.1. And then we're going to divide that by 100. Now you might say, why don't I just put in 2.1 as the coupon? Because sometimes the face value is 1,000. So I always got into the habit of dividing by 100 and multiplying by the face value to avoid making a mistake like that. So divide by 100 to get the decimal percentage and then multiply by the 1,000 face value. And you'll get away with it when the face value is 100, but when it's 1,000 you won't get away with it. Okay, so we're going to get a coupon every 6 months of 21. So it's going to be the payment and then the face value 1,000, which you could later on slip that in when you're doing the payment calculation into FV. No harm, no foul. But I'll just do it the proper way this time. So now I'm ready to compute the IY, compute the market yield. So compute IY. Now there usually will be an answer like that waiting for you as A, B, or C. And then you'll pick it because you're in a hurry and you're under time pressure. But remember, this is a semi-annual rate, so we need to double it. This is the interest rate over 6 months, so we need to multiply this by 2 on the way out. There we go, 10.48492. I think it's going to be A. So, by the way, Finlingo, it generally has answers which are quite a way away from the correct answer. At least in this case, it would be at least 0.003 away from the correct answer, just to make sure nothing's so close you make mistakes because of rounding. So I think it's A. Crossed fingers. Here we go. Yes, there we go. Super. And Finlingo will tell you exactly how it calculated it. Notice that last little bit there just before the answer where we multiply the output interest rate by 2. So we're dividing stuff by 2 on the way in and we're multiplying stuff by 2 on the way out. Let's take a look at some help. So in the help we give you, Finlingo gives you an example question with all the keystrokes. Oh, it gives you the annual bond version and it also gives you a semi-annual bond version too, so you can practice both. Let's try the next question. So the next question, which is an annual paying bond, and I'm going to leave you to do that for homework. I have to go, my time's running out. But I will see you next time on another bond pricing video. See you later.